Hey guys, what's up? This is Gaming Bro 7197 here, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to use Ubuntu Desktop, the latest version on VMware. So let's get started. So first you want to go to this page that will be in the description. So after you have got the download, which I already have, you want to install wait a minute, let me get this out of the way. You want to install VMware. So wait, I'm just going to move this down here real quick. VMware.com. The download will also be in the description, but I have to get VMware because the version I currently have is expired. So, because I can't get a license key, so yeah. Okay, so we're going to go to downloads, and then we are going to pick, let me find it, workstation player. Now, there's two versions. You get this if you're downloading for Linux. And you're getting this if you're downloading for Windows. Now, for Linux users, this is specialized for Linux use only. This is for Windows use only. I'm using Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. Cheap. Don't worry about the may harm. It's just saying that because it's a separate operating system, and if anything goes wrong, it's not their fault. Because really, it's an IDE, an integrated development environment. Because developers use they use VMware to test out their ISOs, or their operating systems. So I'm going to skip to once it's done. Okay guys, now that you've have it installed and you're running the VMware setup, you're going to, well, of course, set it up. I agree, blah, blah, blah. No, let's not reboot. No. Yeah, that. Yeah. Stop. I'll be back once it's installed. Okay, so once you have the two items downloaded, they should look like this. Now, this is only part one because I will not be able to finish this in one video, but we'll see what happens. So you should have the Ubuntu 16.04 desktop and AMD 64, or any version of the Ubuntu, it doesn't matter, and VMware Workstation. So what we're going to do is we're going to open VMware Workstation. Okay, I gotta add in my email, so
I know.
I'm just going to do my email for my iPhone because it'll be much faster to receive it. So that'll be Windows at iCloud.com.
You said you bought coffee now? Yes, it's out in the car.
Now this should be received on my iPhone, so let's go check. Open, yeah, let's close out Safari, go back to the inbox. Should be receiving it soon. Soon enough anyways. Okay, so yeah. Thank you, yeah. So now you have VMware Workstation Player open. So this has no evaluation, not unless you have Pro. So what you're now going to do, if you're going to be a recurring user, you're going to pin that to your desktop by left-clicking on it and pin it to the program taskbar. Now what we're going to do is create a new virtual machine while it gets ready. Okay, so I don't have an installer disk, but I do have an ISO image. That's not the ISO image I wanted, so let's browse. And then I'm not going to use the Yosemite. That might be in a different video though if you request it. I'm going to go to desktop where I stored it. And CD-ROM. Now I'm going to select my ISO. That detects it's Ubuntu 64. Now we're going to click on next. We're going to personalize our Ubuntu by putting in our credentials. So I'm going to do Alexander Gaming. This is not my real last name, just so you know. Gaming Bros 7197 and password. Okay, now that you have typed in your username and password, I'm going to name this Ubuntu test, and you're going to click on next. You want to put more than that much gigabytes. So yeah, I'm going to put that into multiple files, not as a single, and then power this virtual machine after creation. No, because there's something that I want to show you guys. So guys, if you guys don't like to get messy, you can use this to change off the ISO, the name, and the operating system type. To enhance the keyboard, it will require a reboot, which I'm using down the cam, so I can't reboot. But I've sadly run out of time for this video today. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, and peace out.